Let's learn how to solve this question from JEE 2010. We have to find the maximum value of this given expression. How to start? At first, let's simplify this question. We can see that the given question is of the form of finding the maximum value of this expression. And to do this, we can just find the minimum value of denominator and take the reciprocal of it. So now we have to find the minimum value of this expression which is given in the denominator. To find the minimum value of this expression, we have to first simplify it. We can see that we have the terms of sine square theta and cos square theta, and they are both in addition, so we can reduce them to 1, and the remaining cos square theta can be reduced to cos 2 theta. Similarly, cos theta sin theta can also be reduced to sin 2 theta. So let's do that. So our f theta is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta, and here I divide by 2 and multiply by 2, so it is 2 sin theta cos theta, and here we have 4 cos square theta, which is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 sin 2 theta, and the remaining expression we can write as plus 2 times 2 cos square theta minus 1, because that will give us cos 2 theta, plus 2 because we subtracted 2, right? So we have 3 plus 3 by 2 sin 2 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta, and this is equal to, we take the LCM because we can see that maybe sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta can be combined into some other function. So which is equal to 1 over 2 3 sin 2 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta. To reduce this expression further, we can divide and multiply it by the square root of coefficient of sin 2 theta, which is 3, and cos 2 theta, which is 4, and this is equal to 5. So let's do that. So we have 3 plus 5 over 2 into 3 by 5 sin 2 theta plus 4 by 5 cos 2 theta, and we can write it as 3 plus 5 over 2 into cos 5 sin 2 theta plus sin 5 cos 2 theta. So finally we have 3 plus 5 over 2 sine of 2 theta plus 5. So we can see that we have reduced this expression to a very simple term. Minimum value of f theta will be when sine is minimum, right? And we know the minimum value of sine is minus 1. So the minimum value will be 3 minus 5 by 2, which is 1 over 2. And our final answer, which is maximum of 1 over f theta, will be 2. And 2 is our answer. That's it. If you like this solution, consider subscribing this channel and give a like.